Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we are back with another unboxing video. So this is the days of work from home and you need good systems for work from home, and if you are working via desktop you need a webcam. This is actually a very important component these days to attend your classes, to attend your Skype calls, team calls, and this is actually a very important thing if you do not have an integrated webcam. And I have one in my laptop, but the thing is I use a monitor, an external monitor, and that does not have it, so I required one. I bought this, and initially I was thinking of getting Logitech and all those things, but the problem is during the work from home prices have doubled for the hardware. The Logitech one, we used to get it for around 999, and these days it costs more than 2500, something like that. And I actually did not want a very HD camera for that. A usual 720p camera is perfectly alright for your normal calls, office calls. So I got this one. This is the Tizum. I hope I'm pronouncing that correct. Tizum. Anyways, this I will call it as Tizum. So Tizum web camera. This is a 720p. The resolution of this is 1280 into 720p. And let me show you around the box what it has. Very basic box, simple cardboard box, and they pasted some stickers on that. From the looks of it, I think this is made in China. We'll see. So compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7 XP, Mac OS X. That covers most of the things, but no support for Linux and Ubuntu. I don't know. We'll see. So the features of this is 5 glass lens. This is just gimmick. Built-in mic. Okay, we'll test it later, but not in this video. I'll do the full review for that. Subscribe for that. 720p HD, AWB. No idea what that means. Video chat, of course. Conference, of course. So model number ZW79. Nothing else there. And in the back, what do you have? HD 720p video calling, the pixels, okay, latest version of Skype, okay. Video recording, 720p, built-in noise isolating microphone. So it says that it has a little bit of noise isolating microphone, but again we'll see that in our complete review. Automatic low light correction, okay. Plug and play. Of course it has to plug and play these days. We don't use anymore this software and all those things. Those are the days of Windows 98 and XP. Plug and play, high speed, tripod ready, universal clip. Yeah, that's one more important thing. You would need a clip to attach it to the top of your monitor. And the MRP of this was $14.99 as stated, but I got this for around 800 during the sales, but you could get this for around in the range of 900. It should not cost more than that. So okay, so enough of this. Let me open this and show you what's inside. It's a sharp knife. Very basic. Just a box and a plastic. What else? What is this? Okay, let me put this aside. So the weight of this is said to be 50 grams, quite lightweight, so shouldn't be a problem if you mount it on top of your monitor. So it's a user manual, so small, it's almost like ant-like. Installation steps, blah 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 blah. Control access on your ear, blah blah. These are okay. These are not important. If you buy this, you will get to know how to do these things. It's usually plug and play, so yeah. So it's a zip tied bag, okay. Not a very good unboxing experience, but yeah. Okay, so this is a 3D lens. The build quality of this is not that good. There's a branding here, Tizum 720p. These are the microphones. It seems like it has dual microphones, but one might be for show also. We don't know. No, that happens a lot. And that is the clip, I guess. Okay, it does not have a spring, but it's like you can do it like this, and this is adjustable. I'll do that. And it has a USB and it has an AUX for your mic audio. So yeah, I'll be doing the review of that soon. Let me just add it on my monitor and just show you how it looks. So something like that. I'm not sure I'm doing it correct, but yeah, it should not be like this. It should be somewhere here. Yeah, something like this. yeah, something like this, so anyways, I don't want to break it right now trying to do that. I will use it for a couple of days, try to find out the problems with this and how it performs. Stay tuned for the full review, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and enjoy one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.